India is a beautiful country, and so are its traditions, culture, and people. Each festival has a million colors, from vibrant garlands to fragrant flowers. As far as Indian culture is concerned, jewelry is one of the most magnificent fashion accessories. Here are a few tips on how to keep your jewelry safe and protected from ruination. Most of the jewelry loses color or becomes dull because of sweat. Make sure you wipe the jewelry after removing it. If it is metal jewelry, you can use the cleanser, or in the other case, you may wipe it with a dry cotton piece or wet cotton, depending on what suits the jewelry. Try to avoid keeping the jewelry in an open space. Always use a jewelry box to maintain the quality of your jewelry. Jewelry is a great piece to wear, especially on an Indian festival. The ethnic, modern, and handcrafted jewelry can be worn on different drapes such as sari, lehengas, and other ethnic wears. Jewelry adds a hint of glamour to a woman's beauty. You can buy a variety of ethnic jewelry from our recommendations. See the link in the description. Read more about fashion, beauty, travel, leisure, and lifestyle in Allegra online magazine. See the link in the description. Moreover, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.